To change the timing chain, you first need to remove the top timing chain cover. Next, lift the car, remove the wheel arch plastic cover and drain the oil. Remove this bolt holding the coolant line. Next step is to remove the oil pan. To do this, first remove these 2 bolts and remove this cover. We remove this cover because there are 2 hidden bolts for the oil pan. Now remove all the bolts holding the oil pan and unhook the oil sensor. Here we removed the oil pan. The oil pump chain has so much play. Next, remove the serpentine belt. Remove the crank bolt. Next, we need to remove the timing chain cover. Next, we need to remove this bracket and bolt where we can insert the timing tool. Now insert the timing tool inside the bolt we removed. Before inserting the tool, make sure the first cylinder is in the top position. Now we need to insert the timing tool to fix the camshaft. Insert the tool and rotate the engine until the bolt hole from the tool matches with the hole on the engine. Now I will remove the chain guides. Remove the chain tensioner. Next, remove the bolt on the camshaft. Remove the oil pump chain. We inserted the new oil pump chain and the new timing chain. And the new chain guides. The new chain tensioner. Then check the timing on both camshaft and crankshaft are perfect with the locking tool. Put everything together now in reverse order.